How to repair corrupted video files using VLC. In this video, I'll show you how to repair corrupted video files using VLC Media Player. VLC can automatically fix damaged AVI files and help make them playable again. Start by opening VLC Media Player on your Windows PC or Mac. Click Tools, then select Preferences. Next, click the Input/Codecs tab. In Damaged or Incomplete AVI file option, change it to Always Fix, then click Save to apply the changes. Now, open the corrupted AVI video file in VLC. The media player will automatically attempt to repair the file while opening it. If the repair is successful, your video should play normally. That's it! You've successfully repaired a corrupted video file using VLC. Keep in mind that this method works primarily for AVI files, and severely damaged videos may require dedicated video repair software. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.